Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making both devices discoverable because pairing requires visibility. On the phone, open Bluetooth settings and turn it on. On the laptop, enable Bluetooth and set it to discoverable. Put the keyboard into pairing mode, often by holding a Bluetooth or FN key, so it broadcasts its ID. Make sure the keyboard has sufficient charge or is plugged in to avoid disconnects. Once done, keep both screens active and stay within 3-5 meters, so signals remain strong while you proceed. Next, on the laptop, add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth. You'll see the keyboard listed. Select it, and if a PIN appears, type it on the keyboard, then press Enter to confirm. This authenticates the link. Alternatively, tap Accept on your phone if prompted. Once paired, the system shows connected. Open a text editor and type to verify keys respond. If keys lag, move closer and close background apps. This reduces interference and confirms successful low-latency operation. To finish, set the keyboard as the preferred input in your laptop settings and verify the correct layout so keys map properly. Check for driver or firmware updates from the keyboard maker to improve reliability. Install them if needed. If you run into problems, restart both phone and laptop, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and put the keyboard back into pairing mode. Also delete stale pairings to clear conflicts. One quick troubleshooting tip: replace batteries or recharge if intermittent input persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.